Based on the Sunshine Coast in Queensland, this truly outstanding business opportunity has to be seen to be believed. Comprising of an established mechanical repair workshop, which is also an authorised Bosch Car Service dealership. Currently, income is derived from the servicing of petrol, diesel and LPG vehicles, providing roadworthy modification certificates for all vehicles. The business manufactures, services and repairs trailers, and also has a spare parts sales side. This lucrative business operates from a premises that are 3,140 square metres. The 490 square metre building houses an office, lunchroom, 7 bays and a storage area. With ample customer parking at the front, there are 37 usable parking bays for vehicles being serviced or inspected at the rear of the building. Having a high reputation for reliable and quality service, this business will not be on the market for long.